the gold was really confusing nowadays. I mean, recently we have sent a signal to sell from 2916. As you can see, it was a winner signal. So far, it's running in almost 300 pips of profit. So it was supposed to be one of the best signals that we ever had here in Xtreme Trader so far with the gold. But unfortunately, guys, the gold actually really has tricked me. When the signal actually has been activated right here, the gold went in around 140 pips against our direction. And sadly, almost here, I actually have sent here a notification on my Telegram advising the members to consider closing the trading loss if it reached 2928. Unfortunately, it reached exactly 2928, but from that point, it actually started the bearish reversal, or the fall, to be even more accurate. So, I regret, of course, sending this one. And that's the reason, actually, I have to avoid sending these messages. We will just from now on, focus on sending advices to consider changing the edge of the safe zone or the take profit level. But as of close the trade right now, I will not do that again. It actually holds a lot of pressure. Thankfully, actually, I have made even a poll here on my Telegram. Let me just show it to you. Here, 728 votes. Voted, of course, for how many of you guys have taken this signal and is still holding in it. Around 210 voted for yes, we are still holding in it. So I really hope that they are still running in profit. But unfortunately, over 500 people voted for no. So again, my friends, this is of course our Telegram channel. You have got to join this channel to receive any updates or notifications about these signals. Make sure to join the channel here, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So let's now do check what we can do next with the gold. As we can see right now, the gold is actually running in around over 300 pips of profit. So indeed, it was really a good signal. Now, what's next with the gold, guys? Let's check it out together. Now, as we can see, guys, the gold is indeed approaching our earlier take profit level, or actually previous take profit level. However, the gold right now, based on the daily chart, and that is the reason, guys, if you remember, I told you in the previous video that I really trust this price action right here. Once we have this candle here as a bearish breakout from a support level, especially on weekly or daily charts, that candle is actually trusted that the market will continue the fall. Thankfully, that is indeed what happened. And actually, I actually should have trusted my own analysis and don't get panic about the gold rising that time. Anyway, indeed, the gold is still falling, and most likely right now, in my opinion, it will continue the fall. So meaning we can actually continue sell the gold at a certain point, but where exactly? That's the question. First of all, let's now separate the gold from two structures. So here we have one structure based on the 4-hour time frame. So let me just clarify that this is of course the 4-hour time frame. So now here we have a structure, and we have the next structure. Actually, when the market was ranging at this level of a resistance, then here we can notice, of course, a strong bullish breakout happened, and that time the continuation of the bullish momentum began with the gold. Now we have the next structure right here. Exactly, that is the next structure next to this one. So in that case, what should we do with this structure? We will just simply draw here the Fibonacci from the beginning of this point till the higher high that the gold has ever reached to. Now let's delete all the structure squares so it won't confuse us. Now, as you can see, the gold, my friends, has actually been ranging at Fibonacci 23.6 and right now closed below that level, or actually I would say broke out from 23.6. Now, the gold actually was ranging exactly at this area. However, remarkably, what's happening right now is that the gold has finally here made a strong bearish breakout from that long-term channel, as we can see right here. If we can draw the channel, it's just like that. So we can here notice a remarkable bearish breakout from that channel. Indicates a continuation in the bearish momentum. So meaning the gold most likely is going to continue the fall. So the question is, where exactly we can continue selling the gold? Remember that the gold right now is actually approaching a high level, a strong key level of support at 2878, which means it actually has a potential to make a bounce or a pullback. If it makes a pullback, I would recommend to sell the gold again exactly at Fibonacci 23.6 this time. Why? Because as we can see right here, in the past, this was also a previous level of a resistance. Now, according to our strategy, the best level to start shorting the gold, or actually any pair for this matter, is looking for the bearish breakout candle and then look at the nearest level of a resistance to that candle. And most likely, if the market is going to make a pullback, it will reverse exactly at the same level of a resistance, which matches with the Fibonacci 23.6, and afterward the gold will continue the fall. Now for the take profit level, which is of course another totally another story. So we decided to sell exactly right here at Fibonacci 2326 at 2902. And again, guys, this is actually a remarkable point. We will sell at 2902. Why? Because these levels are critical. For example, 1800, 1900, 2000, 1700. Those levels, guys, are critical. When the gold reach any of them, we can expect a strong reversal happening at these areas. So now, since the gold actually has made an easy breakout from 2,900 and went below that till 2,884, it means that the market is indeed making a strong bearish movement from 2,902, or actually from 2,900, which means if the market retests that level, most likely it will reverse exactly from it. So again, I hope it's going to be a good entry. Now for the take profit level. To find the next take profit level, I would recommend to use my style in using the Fibonacci by tracing, of course, the recent pullback that we have right here, right before the bearish movement has begun. So as we can see, we can here draw the Fibonacci just like this. Now we have Fibonacci 261.8 has appeared, which most likely is going to be our next take profit level, because the gold has already reversed 2 times from 161.8 and currently is making a bearish breakout from 161.8, which means it actually has a chance to retest that level and continue the rise a little bit more to reach this level of resistance, and afterward it will continue the fall toward 261.8, which matches of course with the nearest strong key level of a support. That being said, our take profit level will be right here exactly at 2854, expecting around 480 pips of profit. And in this case, our safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the peak of the resistance of the previous signal at 2920, ranging for around 177 pips only. Let me now please write this signal for you. And there goes our late week analysis, my friends, on the gold. I think the gold actually, my friends, facing a very strong bearish movement and actually has a chance to continue the fall to reach our take profit level instantly before reaching the sell order. If that happens, then please ignore this signal and just wait for the next one. And of course, to receive any updates about this signal, don't forget please to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any kind of updates about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube. I might tell you to adjust the sell area, or change the take profit level, or close in a partial profit, or adjust the edge of the safe zone. Any update can be sent right here. It's going to be sent only through Telegram. So again, my friends, in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.